So many people have commented, and I wanted to take this opportunity to ask you, but why do you wear a helmet when you're on a jet ski?
So I wear a helmet when I'm on a bicycle, a motorcycle, when I jump out of an airplane, when I kite foil I wear a helmet, pretty much when I ski I wear a helmet. So why wouldn't I just wear a decent helmet when I'm on a jet ski going 60 miles an hour? I've been most of my life involved with motorcycle safety and skiing, and I have seen so many accidents and fatalities that were unnecessary. And of course we always get that helmet, blah 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 this, blah 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 that. Your situational awareness can be inhibited a little bit, but if you keep your head moving, it's fine. But I wouldn't suggest to anyone to jump off a jet ski at 60 miles an hour. It will blow your eye sockets out or your eardrums out, and with a face mask covering it. Plus, I can see where I'm going when we're out in 5-foot seas all day long. I just know somebody just last week smacked their face on a jet ski. Not a jet ski, actually. It was a PWC, personal watercraft. And he knocked 2 teeth out on the front. Had to hit away and knocked the front teeth out. So my front teeth are staying in my mouth today. And that's just the end of it, you know. Wear a helmet if you want to. If not, that's your risk.
It also protects you from the sun and the elements, as you said.
Hugely. Of course, I can't hear the Marine Patrol whistling at me, but they got over it.